some, so I'm going to show you these as well in a minute. Here we go with the Lidl's 2023 firework selection. Now we have actually gone out and bought some, so I'm going to show you these as well in a minute. So yeah, let's have a look. So this is the leaflet that's available at the moment. Not many more days left to buy these things. When we went to our store, some of this didn't seem to be available. We bought that, and just trying to, some of them might not even be in this leaflet actually. Yeah. Oh, those giant sparklers, and what was the other one? Can't see it. That one. So yeah, this is what's available. It is, some of it's cheap, some of it's a bit more expensive. The amount of details on these things these days is unbelievable. How long they last for, there's multi-shots. If you want to spend £40 and lose that in 40 seconds, it's a good way of doing it. Or you can lose £49 in 50 seconds. So plenty to choose from. But yeah, they start cheap, obviously, £1.99 for the giant sparklers, which we've got the back of here. We're going to have a look at these in a minute. Strikes, £4.99. The magnetism, £14.99. That includes, let's have a look, I've got the box here. Just for a scale, that's a tape measure, and we're going to take these, we're going to open these boxes and have a look, but that's what you get in them. I'm just trying to see if there is a list of stuff that's actually in this. 8 fountains, 2 shot tubes, 3 Roman candles and 1 cake. I wouldn't eat it. The rockets, didn't go for the rockets in this situation. And then obviously these bigger things, that multi-shot fireworks, you just light them and run. And on the back there we've got a few more things here, some sort of cheaper rockets, that Energizer pack, and the live wire. So yeah, that is currently what is available in Lidl, although our store, I don't think had everything, might be wrong, probably couldn't fit it all in a display cabinet. So yeah, so we start off with these giant sparklers, and they are fairly big, as you can see. There's 10 in a pack. I don't think I will open these actually, because they're just rods of metal with the chemicals bonded to them. So yeah, they're the giant sparklers. And then we got the strike for £4.99. I don't think that's too bad. Medium sound level, 101 decibels to 110. Safety distance 8 meters. Obviously these fireworks are nothing like they used to be. They've kind of, I didn't know, but there's laws that have come out or came out some years ago that basically stipulated that it kind of like stopped small rockets being sold. So now you can only buy the bigger stuff, which is a shame. So we got this pack here, the Energizer. Now, alright, here we go. So yeah, the Energizer pack. We'll have a look at this, but these are, there's 12 fireworks in here. Let's do the tape and see what's inside the box. So all these fireworks that I bought were 30, I think they're £35. In the old days these would have been classed as indoor firework, well, not exactly, but nearly. So yeah, loads of safety stuff now. You get how to set them off, how to set them up. You should read that really. So yeah, here's the box, fully packed. Moonfall. Let's keep that tape measure there. Get rid of the leaflet. So yeah, Moonfall. Don't know what that is. One of them. Get a light-in wick, so no matches or lighters. A diamond. we get a, I don't know what that is, similar, Tide, High Tide, a Venus, Stardust, Will-o'-the-Wisp, and these tiny little things. I mean, these are tiny, come on, let's face it. Jewel, Space, Delight, and a Crackle Star. So I'm just going to attempt to put these back, which is just not going to work, is it? Let's face it. I've sacrificed my box. Something's leaking as well, I can see kind of stuff. Alright, that'll do. So that's that one. Always used to be a thing about putting fireworks in biscuit tins or chocolate tins to keep them safe when you're lighting them. So yeah, that's the Energizer. We've gone through the Strike, haven't we? And we've gone through sparklers. So moving on to the bigger box, magnetism. Let's have a look and see what's in, what it looks like. I kind of know what's in it. This one's taped up well. Put it that way round. You ready? One more bit of sellotape. Where are these things made these days? Standard fireworks. UK, China. It's got to be China, isn't it? Safety leaflet. Probably won't get all these out because I'm never going to get these back in. But a similar setup to the others. Even some of the fireworks, yeah, are the same. But there seems to be these bigger things. 21 shot. Should be a Catherine wheel in here. That looks quite good. Star drone. That hasn't even got Xenon. Star Blizzard, these things. Coral. Don't know, what's that one? Metal fountain. So basically the Lidl 2023, what you would buy as a family without buying multi-shot stuff. If you got any questions, send me. They do some, there were some sort of deals. 3 for 25. Let me get this right before I get it completely wrong. So, doesn't actually list it, but there are offers if you buy 2 or 3 packs of similar stuff. So it does get a little bit cheaper, but it doesn't actually include that in the leaflet. I think it's on the website. Oh no, there it is, multi-buy. 3 for 25 or $9.99 each. So you could do a multi-buy on those if you wanted to. But yeah, so that's the 2023 Lidl Firework Selection Extravaganza. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video.